Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your email address on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up Snapchat and log into your account if you are not already signed in. Tap on the user icon in the top left corner to get to your profile screen. Then tap the settings cog from the top right corner. Tap on email, then write your new email address into the text field and hit save. You may need to put your password in here to verify that it's you. A verification email will now be sent to your new email address. Go to your emails and find the email from Snapchat and open it. Now click on Confirm Email. Your Snapchat email address has now been changed. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Snapchat tips and tricks.